In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the mini menu when selecting text in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're looking to enhance your browsing experience or just streamline the way you interact with web content, this handy feature can definitely make a difference. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, let's go ahead and open up Microsoft Edge. You'll typically find the Edge browser icon either on your desktop, taskbar, or among your installed programs list. Go ahead and launch the browser. Once you have Microsoft Edge open in front of you, you'll notice a range of icons and options laid out for easy navigation. Next, what we want to do is take our attention to the top right corner of the browser window. There, you'll see three little dots stacked vertically. This icon represents the Settings and More Options menu. When you click on these dots, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with a variety of features and settings you can adjust. Now, from this drop-down menu, find and click on Settings. This will direct you to a new window or tab, revealing a series of options that allow you to customize your Microsoft Edge experience. Once you're on the Settings page, take a look at the left-hand side. You'll see a navigation pane that includes several categories. Among these categories, the one you're aiming for is Accessibility. Click on Accessibility to proceed. By selecting the accessibility option, you'll access specific features designed to enhance the usability of the browser for people with different needs. An array of settings will unfold before you, catering to various aspects of accessibility. To find what we're looking for, I want you to scroll down the page slightly. Keep an eye out for a setting titled Show Mini Menu when selecting text. This specific feature is what will allow a convenient mini menu to appear whenever you highlight text on a web page, helping to make common actions like copying, sharing, or searching much simpler. To activate this, look to the right of the text. You'll see a toggle button. If this toggle is gray, that means the feature is currently disabled. Simply click this toggle. When it turns to a different color, usually blue, you'll know that the feature is now active, and there you have it. That's all it takes to enable the mini menu feature in Microsoft Edge. It's a small adjustment, but one that can significantly smooth out your day-to-day tasks when surfing the web. So next time you select text on a web page, you're set to enjoy a much more efficient interaction. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make your browsing experience a little bit easier. Don't forget to explore other accessibility settings while you're here.